gold is looking like pure crap on the daily chart. It looks like it wants to dump hard to the downside. This is a daily chart breakdown. Originally, I thought we could get a bit of a bounce. We only got a very small bounce, and it looks like we formed a bit of a bear flag, and now we're just rolling over to the downside. If the dollar can push higher, then gold will surely dump, so that you get your move like this and get a push all the way down to below 1800. Probably take out. So these are your big liquidity levels down here, right? We'll probably take out this area. Maybe even go down to 1760 right below here. I don't see why that couldn't be possible. Let me see really quick. Let's see what chaos is saying. It's kind of hard to draw a chaos off this, but I would say like this would be your range right here, from here to here. And chaos is saying basically exactly what the ABCD is saying. So ABCD is from here to here, and from here to here. So chaos is saying 17, or ABCD is saying 1790, and chaos is at 1780. So we're gonna make that. I'm gonna add a little rectangle. I'm gonna say this is like our buy zone down here. Change that to green. Accumulation zone for gold, potentially. If this is your full chaos level, by the way, then this is your 1.618, and we're actually going down here. So there is also potential for that. I think it's a bit extreme. I think this makes a bit more sense, kind of like this, either here or here. I want 1.618 to be positioned correctly. I mean, this could be if this is your 2.618 level, then you're at 1800. Usually chaos is best drawn with an M, and we don't really have that here. So I usually try to just find a nice area within the range that makes sense for then the following target, which is the 1.618, and then the following levels. So these levels kind of make sense, but I think the ABCD level that it points to around 1790 would it be a more accurate target? So that's kind of what I'm looking for with gold. Could easily see this move to the downside, which is bullish for the dollar. So I'd be careful if you're long gold here. Could easily take another 90 to 100 point dump. Okay, that's gold. We'll reevaluate next week. Maybe we'll be down there by next week. It's very possible.